Hi everyone, congratulations and welcome to MSIT. I am Mohan Krishna, head of JNTU Hyderabad MSIT. I did my MSIT from IIIT Hyderabad and I have been associated with MSIT since 2006. Today is your first day at MSIT and in coincidence today is also Teachers Day. So I would like to start with Telugu saying Talli Tandri Guruvu Daivam. Why I said it? Because next 2 years your mentors will be playing the first 3 roles. So as a father they are going to guide you, as a mother they are going to take care of you, and as a teacher they are going to teach you the required skills. So I request you to utilize the mentors at the fullest. So whatever simple doubt you have, don't feel shy and ask them. The first basic 6 courses are very crucial. If you get good foundation in these 6 courses, then it is going to be a cakewalk after that, whatever technology it might be or whatever domain it might be. So I once again request you to interact with your mentors regularly and follow their guidelines. So, and don't bother about timings. Majority of you are worried about timings. See, maybe 1 or 2 weeks you might struggle. After that you will get accustomed. So I hope you will enjoy the next 2 years with MSIT. All the very best. Thank you.
Very good morning to all. Hearty welcome to the MSIT program. I am Veer Vadraya, working as a principal mentor for JNTU. I have completed my engineering graduation in the year 2005. Thereafter, I did my MTech in the JNTUH University campus. Then I have been working as an assistant professor in the private engineering college. Then I have been into the MSIT program in the year 2008. So totally I am having 12 years of experience in this MSIT program, about MSIT program. So it's a completely unique program. It's a 80-20 rule, 80% practical and 20% theory. So as a result, the student will be get benefited a lot. Once after completion of the first year itself, the students will be get ready for the industry, where the students will be gaining a lot technical skills as well as soft skills. You will be having the complete skill set for the industry. The main objective of this MSIT program is learning by doing. That is, do mistake, fix it, and update. So this is the simple technique by making use of the MSIT program. So we have to do that. If you can come regularly, if you can attend regularly, the mentors will help you. They will meet your expectations. So I wish you good luck. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. A warm welcome to all of you, and congratulations to get into the MSIT. My name is Sridevi. I am working here as associate mentor, IT mentor here. I joined in MSIT in 2007. So I am associated with MSIT for 13 years now. Here you will learn how to learn along with the technologies, programming and other softwares. I know many of you are coming from non-IT backgrounds. So you don't need to fear about that, because many of the MSIT toppers were from non-IT backgrounds. Hope you will utilize this as a launchpad for your successful careers. Once again, congratulations and all the best. Thank you.
Good morning all. Hearty welcome to all of you to the MSIT course. This is Sriramurthy Karumuri, a senior associate mentor having an experience of 12 years in this course. MSIT is a unique course which follows learning by doing methodology. Along with that methodology, as a student, you have to follow 3D approach. 3D stands for discipline, determination, and dedication. Learning by doing methodology mixed up with 3D approach leads you towards success. Happy learning. Once again, welcome to MSIT course.
Hello everyone, welcome to the MSIT. I am Renuka, one of the IT mentor at JNTH and MSIT alumni. Coming to the MSIT, learning experience at MSIT would be very different. It would be challenging, encouraging and motivating. If you have a zeal to learn new technologies and want to become a techie, MSIT is the right place. I believe hard work is top mantra of MSIT. And also, I believe hard work leads to the smart work. So, do hard work and achieve your goals. All the best to everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you into the MSIT program. My name is Krupakar Suluru. I have been working as an assistant mentor in MSIT since 2012. I got my first master degree, MCA, from SVU Tirupati in 2006. I got my second master degree, MTech Computer Science, from JNTU Hyderabad in 2012. I have 13 plus years of teaching experience, within that 8 plus years in MSIT. I think all of you are aware that the teaching method in MSIT is learning by doing, means you are learning the concept by doing. So very soon you are going to experience that. I wish you a good luck for your next career path. Thank you.